Hello everybody and welcome back to MDTV. I actually have done a 1 minute video on these. That's actually is on YouTube, but it's such a great product. I thought we wanted to really slow it down and go through it like we did the old-fashioned way of showing you guys literally how these things work. It's a power push. What that means is that you're behind your chair, you've got a little button on there, you press it and it drives the chair forward. On your handset here, as you can see how easy that comes off, you got different power bands. At the moment it's down at 1. You press the plus button and bingo bosh, up it goes to 2, 3, up to 3, up to 4, and all the way up to the top. So it can actually go as fast or as slow as you want. The unique things about this product, I'll just pop that back on, you can see how quick that was, is that you can push and pull the chair anywhere you want. Usually with power packs is you power it up, you drive into the corner of a room, it's then locked into position, you have to press a button to put it into reverse, and then you press your button to reverse, and if you want to move it from side to side, it's gripping and fighting you all the way. You've got to do everything with a power pack. These people have been very clever, and it shows you can actually do whatever you want with the chair, backwards, forwards, left, right, wherever, and it doesn't do anything. The wheel just free wheels, but it re-engages when you put power on. So that makes it a very simple system to use. The other nice unique things about it is that there's quite a lot of these systems on the marketplace, and you've got to put the brackets on, you've got to undo this, you've got to clip this, you've got to clip that. They've made it very simple to get it on and off the chair. And when it's off the chair, I'll take it off and you see how quick it is. 1, 2, this pops in here just for storage. Pop it in your car. The bracket system that's underneath the chair, I'll just pop that up in the air so you can see, goes across here. But you can forget about it. Just fold your chair like you normally would. Up it goes. Fold your handles down. Pick it up, put it in the car. How simple is that? It just does not get any easier. So if you've got your preferred chair, you've got a chair that's lightweight, you're used to using it and you're very happy with it, you can fit that bracket onto that chair for you. I'll just open that one back up again. This one's actually on an AidaCare chair, which is the Vida. The product that we're talking about, just out of interest, is the Vigo from Alber. Quick few words on Alber. Alber are the top of the tree when it comes to quality. Their quality is absolutely superb. The reliability is superb. The spares department, if you should need spares, it's very quick. We even go to the point where if you buy one of these and you have any trouble with it, we'll lend you one while yours is getting fixed. I'm so confident in the fact that that won't happen. We'll say we'll do it, and if it does happen, genuinely, we will do it. Just move that out of the way. This is an Ergo Light 2 chair from Karma, yet again, like this chair, top quality. We sell loads and loads of these, and as you can see, your power pack just fits on it and works really well. There's not really a lot more to say. If you want to come into the shop and we'll fit one of these onto your chair for you to try, we'll do that for you. So I'm going to round it off there. The brackets, just to recap, the brackets will fit on almost any chair that's on the market. So if you've got a chair that you like, we'll fit it on and we'll try it. But it's a great quality product. It's now in stock. They're on our website, so we've got a short video on there as well. So you can pop onto the website and have a look at that. And the telephone numbers, everything are there. And it'll come up on our website. There's actually a proper space for it, which is going to be down there on the website. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much. Great to see you soon.